Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am, because today we are getting the day started off with tuning the STI. Good old Rodney here has got some miles on a brand new engine, and it's time we get a tune on it. It's a pretty simple setup. Cob intake. I do need to put the cob box back on. I have it at the shop. Bader said I need to get that thing on. So cob intake, a 3-port IG AOS. It's completely green speed compliant, and it should not make all that much power. She also does have a full exhaust system on it as well. I'm guessing for like high 200s, low 300s maybe. I'm not expecting a lot of power out of this thing, but I guess we'll see. As Bader's getting everything set up on the dyno, Mr. Chase, one of the dudes that works here at Bader's shop, is requesting coffee. The only way I'm getting him coffee is if I rip his K24 Honda. I'll try not to break it, Chase. Huh? I'll have fun. Little squeaky girl. If you guys have been following Bader at all, you know he's big in Hondas right now, and everyone here keeps trying to convince me to get a Honda. So maybe this will be the convincing I need. It's a stock K24 NA, and I think it makes just over 200 wheel. And they said I have to rip it, it's mandatory. You ready for the moon tune, Bader?
I'm always ready for the moon tune.
We are going to do a baseline pull on the car real quick. See how sus it is. See how sus this stage 1 map is.
A little disclaimer. It should have a stage 2 map, not a stage 1
My bad.
map. It does have an aftermarket downpipe on it, so I'm sure some variances are going to be there. Stage 1 cob maps are pretty aggressive with timing. They're actually faster than if you were to do a downpipe on your car. Reason being, there's not enough fuel system for a downpipe on these cars, the honest truth. So it may make more power on the stage 1 map than what I can make on a stage 2 map, but I guarantee it will drive better and be smoother.
And not die at the stoplights.
And not die too.
Perfect.
So,
let's send it.
Not bad. Not bad. It looks pretty normal.
So we're on a Mustang Dyno right now. It made 250 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. Here's the dyno graph. Yeah, all right. That's respectable. I'm not expecting to make much more. Did it look fine AFR-wise and shit, or was it pretty off?
I can't really tell you, to be honest, because it's going to max out the front O2, and I can't read my wideband that I have in the dyno right now. So it's up in the air if it looks good or not.
Yeah. Let's dial her in. First pull we hit 14 pounds and it made 2 less wheel horsepower. So now we're gonna turn it up and hopefully make 300 wheel. go. few Dyno pulls in, and we are having really, really crazy air intake temps. The highest we saw was 140 degrees, and it's only like 50 degrees outside, so something weird is going on. I am missing the Cobb intake box, so for now, let me show you guys what we did. We just took our intake and rotated it up out of the engine bay, so hopefully that helps, and maybe this crusty filter is causing issues as well. But yeah, a little crazy how hot this thing is getting intake temp wise. Give him the final numbers, Josh.
If you guys really want to see, it was 309, 335 torque, made 309.
Solid, very solid. 21 pounds of boost. All right, let's go see how she feels.
Yeah, you gotta turn that traction control off, camera straight.
Dude, the short shifter's gonna fuck me up.
Dude, you're gonna miss it here.
For all the fast shit we do, right?
Your intake temp stayed good on the street.
Yeah.
100 degrees. That's not bad.
That'll work.
It feels good. I almost think flat foot shifting on a stock car makes it feel slower.
Yeah, I know.
But it feels pretty good. I'm pretty impressed.
You can just see the boost. Yeah. 21, 20, 14.
Need to change that. Solid?
Yeah.
Needs more mods.
That's what the other ones are for. This bitch is the Turo car.
Yeah. So if you're on Turo and you want to feel your good step into power, this is a good starting point.
Hell yeah.
There you go.
I'm telling you guys, Bader's trying to get me into a Honda. We're going for a quick little rip in his black Civic build, all-wheel drive. Everything makes over 700 wheel. It's pretty rowdy.
Trying to get you to buy one.
I know. All right, give me the quick rundown on this thing.
So, car has a stock K24A, which is similar to like a K24A2 out of a TSX. We have a stock CRV trans, stock CRV T case, so it is all-wheel drive. Car made 737 on 23 pounds. So,
sounds like a ripper.
It is a ripper. At the track, we trapped 140, almost 142, and your boy over here, Money Shift Master, took the last motor out, 232 shift. So,
all right. Today. I like how clean it is.
Good. Do you like it?
It's a little cleaner than your Honda.
No, fuck you. These seats cost as much as what my Honda did before this fucking case on.
Oh
Oh shit.
Don't
misship Jimmy.
Look at this. This is proof I try.
You're just too busy with building people's stuff. Alright,
we'll go cruise it for a bit, get our oil temps warmed up. Oh my. Careful, this is a little aggressive.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Hopefully we don't. Actually, I ain't gonna say
Nope.
it. Oh lord. This is a fucking clean car, dude. It's so clean. These seats look very expensive though.
They're $2,800.
It's not terrible, but I mean for seats it's a lot.
So enjoyable to drive though. Drives like stock, all tech. Car beautiful. E85 car obviously. Suspension's a little on the stiff side, so don't judge too much.
Oh boy. Bro, no fucking way. That lit. Dude. That, it's like your Subi. That literally takes your breath
like
away.
1,000 wheel.
Yeah. That's outrageous. As soon as he hit third, I was like,
And you can feel it riding the tire in third.
yeah.
Still stock viscous coupler. I am going to rebuild it. It'll be more all-wheel drive at that point, but dude, it's a lot for the street.
That is outrageous, dude.
Yeah.
It does feel like 1,000 wheel.
Isn't it crazy?
What does this car weigh?
I think this car weighs probably on the heavier side. I think it weighs probably 2,800 pounds.
Yeah.
But dude, it's insane.
That's crazy. Yeah. It's pretty fucking fast. That's insane for a stock motor,
Dude,
too.
rolling into third.
Wow.
So cars always feel, I feel like they feel slower when you go down to a lower gear. I think they feel faster if you just start out in a gear. So you ready to start in third?
Bro, I can't breathe. E right to the face.
What do you think of that?
Bro, this is insane.
You want to drive it? You gotta drive it.
I don't know. Do I dare drive it?
You drive it.
Okay. I'll take it easy on her.
I dare? Yeah. Oh my god. The brakes don't help.
Give me some brakes on this fucking thing.
I know.
It's a little. It feels safer when I'm driving. When someone else is driving, dude, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Yeah. The car's pretty straight though. It feels pretty
is.
solid.
This thing's fucking crazy,
Dude, this thing. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. It's so fast over here.
It is so fast. Dude, it almost feels faster than the Subi.
Dude, it feels so damn fast in the passenger seat. Holy shit. Dude, I'm blown away.
Alright, that's enough.
Woo, it picked me up out of my seat. I'm gonna have a heart attack. What do you think?
Dude, this is insane.
Is it worth it?
Bro, this is fast.
It's a blast. And it
This is
shifts so nice.
It does. It's gonna shift better here
It's
soon.
gonna shift better here soon, I promise. What do you think though?
Good lord. Yeah. I need to build one.
You do.
You got me sold now.
On a stock motor, guys, it's a $1,000 motor in here right now, and it's taking a beating.
It drives good too.
It drives like stock.
I love how it sounds.
I know, right? It sounds so good. You're the only one to drive it.
Really?
Yep.
No one else has driven it?
No one else has driven it.
Not even Chase?
Not even Chase. Hell no, especially not Chase. Are you kidding me? We both die.
That is true.
Yep.
Bro, this is crazy.
Hell yeah.
This is insane.
I wanted you to feel it. I felt like it would be worthwhile.
Yeah.
You know, but, and I'm sorry about the bumps. I know my suspension's ass. It's made for the track. gotta do the best part.
What?
Clutch in and floor it.
Dude,
You rip it?
this car is fucking insane.
You rip it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hell
right?
yeah.
Feel the clutch.
You smell the brakes?
God,
That's
dude.
the brakes or the
That's
clutch?
the brakes.
Damn.
Really? No, it's slow as fuck.
Yeah.
Slowest car I've ever been in. Bro, this might like feel crazier than this.
Because it's so light.
Dude.
Yeah.
Than this?
Than that, yeah.
But dude, this thing's scary as fuck.
This
That
thing
made
is
me
very-
shit myself.
Damn, you're gonna copyright us. Get your music out of here.
Bro,
Shut it
that's
off,
insane.
Justin. That's his music.
Who sings it?
Oh.
Shut up, we're gonna get copyrighted. That's
Yeah.
scary.
Thanks, bro. Now you're gonna make me spend all my money.
You see why it's worthwhile and I keep messing with it?
Yeah.
Because it's a blast. You hear us out there or what?
Nah.
Damn, we're doing our good job good. Mexico was a little further out today.
Yeah.
Do the past events.
That was this car, right?
Little baby girl right here.
Round 2.
Round 2 coming up.
No.
You're driving this time.
I've been in some pretty decently quick cars in my life. 1,000 horse GTR, 1,100 horse STI. I don't know if I've ever felt something so rowdy in my life more than that little stock motor K24 Honda. Absolutely insane. Makes me not even want to rip on the STI now. If you're wondering the reason that we never really put a bunch of time and money and parts onto this car right here, this car is actually going on Turo. I rent out a few of my cars out. Of course, can't drive 18 or 19 or 20 cars at once. So I do rent a few cars out on Turo, and this is gonna be one of them. So if you guys ever want to rent an STI near Spokane, hit up Turo. You'll find a few of my cars on there. I didn't see a point in putting a ton of money and parts into this car just to rent it out. The other black car though, that's gonna be a different story. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.